Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm about to talk about something that some people have commented to, and they say that the bags are not big enough for the machine that you have. Here's an example. I have the Dragonhawk Fold Pro right here, and as you guys can see, the down part of this machine has a thinner body than the upper part. It is wider since it has this stroke wheel right here, and the bag doesn't fit all the way up. So I have a small solution for you, very easy. Now this bag is a 5 centimeter bag in diameter, so it is not as big as this upper part right here, not as wider, but the only thing you guys need to do is to pick up the same bag, then open it up, and with your finger, since it is plastic, you can just widen it a bit. See, I just widen up a bit, enough so I can fit. You could also cut this up, but it's better if you do it with your finger, since it is malleable. It has not a big problem to fit in here. So I can now push my bag all the way up into the machine. Of course, you'll have a small resistance, but works pretty fine since you already have made the whole part of the bag here a bit wider. The whole bag fits into the machine, and now you have a protected machine, which is very nice and very easy. So guys, this is a small hack that I use all the time. Hope this could help you. I hope you now can protect your machine in an easy way with these small bags. So guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. If this video was useful, also activate the notification bell because more videos are about to come. More tutorials about tattoo and tattoo equipment are about to come. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.